Birds make delightful and rewarding pets. They are not just animals, they become part of the family. They are intelligent and social creatures, capable of forming strong bonds with their human companions. Birds bring joy and companionship to our homes, often becoming a source of comfort and happiness. Their vibrant colors and playful antics brighten our days, making every moment with them special. Some birds can even mimic human speech, adding an entertaining and interactive element to their presence. This adds a unique charm to their presence, making them even more endearing. Birds are relatively low-maintenance pets compared to dogs or cats, requiring less daily attention. They don't require daily walks or litter box cleaning, making them ideal for busy lifestyles. However, they still need proper care and attention to thrive, including a clean environment and a balanced diet. Owning a bird is a wonderful experience, filled with moments of joy and discovery. It allows us to connect with nature and appreciate these fascinating creatures, bringing a piece of the wild into our homes. Choosing the right bird is crucial for first-time owners. It's important to consider factors like the bird's size, lifespan, and social needs. Some species are more suitable for beginners due to their temperament and care requirements. Researching thoroughly can help you make an informed decision. Budgies are a popular choice. They are small, affectionate, and known for their cheerful chirping. Their playful nature makes them great companions for families. Canaries are another excellent option. Their beautiful songs and relatively easy care make them ideal companions. They're perfect for those who enjoy listening to melodious tunes. Finches are social birds that thrive in small flocks. They are a joy to watch with their playful interactions. Their vibrant colors and lively behavior can brighten up any home. Cockatiels are known for their gentle nature and ability to learn tricks. They can become quite affectionate with proper handling. Their whistling and mimicking abilities add to their charm. Remember to research the specific needs of any bird species. Ensure you can provide adequate care and attention. Proper diet, mental stimulation, and a safe environment are key to a happy, healthy bird. Providing a safe and stimulating environment is essential for your bird's well-being. The cage should be spacious enough to allow for comfortable movement. Perches of varying thickness and textures help exercise your bird's feet. Toys, such as swings, bells, and foraging toys, provide mental stimulation. Birds need a clean environment to stay healthy. Regular cage cleaning is crucial to prevent the buildup of bacteria and odor. Fresh water should always be available. Food dishes should be cleaned daily to prevent contamination. Section 4. A healthy diet for happy birds, feeding your feathered friend. A balanced diet is crucial for your bird's health and longevity. Just like humans, birds need a variety of foods to stay healthy and happy. Seeds can be part of their diet, but they shouldn't be the sole source of nutrition. Over-reliance on seeds can lead to deficiencies and health issues. Pelleted food provides a more balanced mix of nutrients. These pellets are specially formulated to meet the dietary needs of birds. Fresh fruits and vegetables, such as apples, broccoli, and carrots, offer essential vitamins and minerals. Including a variety of fresh produce can enhance your bird's diet and overall well-being. Avoid feeding your bird avocados, chocolate, caffeine, or alcohol. These items can be extremely harmful and even fatal to birds. These substances are toxic to birds. Always be cautious and keep these foods out of reach. Consult with an avian veterinarian for personalized dietary recommendations. They can provide expert advice tailored to your bird's specific needs and health conditions. Section 5. Avian Healthcare. Keeping your bird in tip-top shape. Regular veterinary checkups are essential for your bird's well-being. Birds often hide signs of illness until it's advanced. An avian veterinarian can detect potential health issues early on. They can also provide guidance on preventive care. Common health problems in pet birds include respiratory infections, feather plucking, and nutritional deficiencies. Be observant of your bird's behavior and appearance. Any changes could indicate a health issue that requires veterinary attention. Section 6. Socialization and enrichment, engaging your bird's mind and body. Birds are intelligent creatures that need mental stimulation and social interaction to thrive. Provide your bird with toys that challenge their problem-solving skills. Spend quality time with your bird daily. Talk to them, play with them, and offer them gentle affection. Consider teaching your bird tricks or songs. This provides mental stimulation and strengthens your bond. A stimulating environment prevents boredom and promotes your bird's emotional well-being.